Okay, here we go with the third and final video in our three-part series on how to create an opt-in form on your WordPress blog. We have a little problem. This little guy here. Our project is to remove this guy and replace him with something a little bit more catchy. A different offer that I think will convert a lot more than this is actually converting. First place we'll go to our autoresponder, and then we'll pick up our HTML, this is HTML for the opt-in form we had created in part 2. So we'll copy the form, and we are going to actually add a new page, and what we're actually going to do, we are going to use our WordPress page to create a HTML form that will include the opt-in forms HTML plus the ebook cover plus a couple of promotional lines to encourage people to download our ebook. So we have two options here. We have visual and we have text. The visual shows you the graphic reproduction, while the text gives you the HTML version. And this is why I like WordPress. You can toggle between both of them, and while writing the code on the text page, you can actually see the output on the visual page. So the first thing we'll do, we'll just paste the opt-in form. And what I'll do, I always center the form, because in the sidebar you will want everything dead center. You do not want the fields to one side. You want everything dead center so that it will look neat. So I'll use CENTER, and then I'll close it here. Simple. Open, close. The next thing I'll do, I'll be adding the ebook cover, and I'll add it above here, just as it is right here. This is the opt-in form, and this is the ebook, and this is the promotional text that we are going to type. So I'll go here and I'll click here, which is where I'm first going to add the image. No, better yet, I am going to add the text right here. And I had already pre-written the text and on a notepad, and this is the text I'm going to add. Subscribe to our affiliate marketing tips newsletter and get this valuable ebook absolutely free. Sounds good enough. So I'll copy and I'll place the two lines here, and then above this I will add the image of the ebook. Now the image is already in my media library, so all I will have to do is to add it insert it into page. If it was not in the library, because I had been using it earlier, if it was not in the library, I would have added upload files and uploaded it to the library. Okay, so since it's already there, we will skip that stage, and we notice we have the title, we have the alt text, and the alignment is center. But we do not want it to link anywhere. We want it to be an image that is not linkable. So it will link to none, and then the size is full size 250 by 281, and we'll insert it into the post, into the page. Now we insert it into the page, and we see this is the end, and we'll close it here. It's already aligned center, so we do not have to center it. So we can go to visual and look and see what we have, and this is what we have. We have the ebook right here, we have the text right here, and we have our opt-in form. Now we want everything centered, so we will click here, we will select here, and go center. And I will delete in order to bring everything up a little closer. Okay, now this, we want this to look something like this, bolded. And I think I'm going to use the color red. I'm not going to use this up here. I'm going to use the color red down here. So I'll click here and select the color red. And for the size, I will go with H3, heading 3. And we can see that everything is spread out. So I'll have to go back into the code and sort it out. So I have cleaned out the text, and I am going to re-enter the text from the notepad, and I'll place it right below the image. This is the code for the image. I'll place it there, and I'll center it from the code. Open and close. So it should be in the center right here. So what I'll do now, I'll change the heading to H3. Okay, there we go. And I'll change the color to red. That's it. But as you can see, we have a double spacing right there. So what I need to do is to take out this H3 and this one. Let me see now. Okay, so all I have to do now is to select this and make it center. There we go. So there we go. There we have our new code to put in the sidebar right here. So let's try it. We will go to appearance and go to widgets. Now I have to identify the widget, and it is the one below the search. So we have search, which is the first box. So it will be this box. So I'll just give it a name. Save it. And then move it out. And I will replace it with the new opt-in form box that we just made. Let's go. We need to take this text box here and put them right up, right below search. And we have an empty box to put in our new form. Now all we have to do is go back to text and copy all of this code, the entire code. We can just select all and copy, put it in the widget, paste it, save it, and if we check right here, it should be replaced. If we refresh this page, and here we have our new box. The only problem is this little man right here should be a little bolder, should be high, it should be the H3 heading, but it is not. So I'll have to go and edit it. But as you can see, this is how you replace an opt-in form or place an opt-in form in the sidebar of your WordPress blog. Thank you, and you can check BrianGElliott.com Internet Marketing Story for more tutorials, for more advice, tips on internet marketing, including affiliate marketing, video marketing, and anything to do with affiliate marketing. You have reviews of the latest affiliate products, honest reviews, user reviews. So check BrianGElliott.com for more advice and information. Thanks.